Today we're going to read Touch and Feel Farm Animals. Concept by Julie Agner Clark, illustrations by Nadine Zadie. It is a touch and feel book. Who do you see on the farm? I see a sheep. Bah, bah, the sheep calls out. She says hello in her own way. What a fluffy, woolly sheep. Let's feel her fleece today. It feels fluffy. Let's turn the page. Oh, no, that's the next page. Who do you see on the farm? I see a cow. The cow is calling, moo, moo. I think she wants to play. What a gentle, happy cow. May we feel your nose today? It feels slick and smooth. Turn the page. Who do you see on the farm? I see a goat. Crunch, crunch, munch, munch. The goat loves to eat his hay. This billy goat's a silly goat. May we feel your beard today? It feels soft. Oh, goodness. Who do you see on the farm? I see a rooster. The rooster struts around the farm. He puts on quite a display. Cock-a-doodle-doo, he shouts. Let's feel his comb today. There it is. It's red and it feels kind of smooth. Who do you see on the farm? I see a horse. Clippity-clop, clippity-clop. Trotting here from far away. The horse came up to say hello. May we feel your mane today? It feels spurry, soft and furry. The end. I hope you enjoy.